This is the OnePlus 9 Pro, and it is one of the best phones of 2021. And in this video, I'm going to go over why this is one of the best phones of the year, and why right now is probably the best time to get this phone. But first, I got to give you guys my disclaimer. This phone was given to me for free to do a review. This video is not sponsored. I got this phone in November, and this phone came out in March. So I'm a little bit behind, but that's okay because I got all the updates and the bug fixes. So all the issues that some tech YouTubers they had back in March or April, I don't really see any of those issues. And that's reason number one why right now is a great time to get this phone, because all the updates are already live. Right now the OnePlus 9 is running Android 11. Android 12 was released for the OnePlus 9, but it was delayed because of some issues. So eventually it will get the Android 12 update. Yeah, I remember when this phone launched, some tech YouTubers, they were saying issues about the screen, about the battery, about app crashing, but I have not seen any of that, and I've been using this phone for over a month. Reason number two is the price. Right now, I see on Amazon the price is around $700 to $850, which is way better than paying over $1,000 for a phone. You're getting 5G, 256 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM, a display with 120 Hz refresh rate, fast charging, wireless charging, and there's a lot of other features that we're going to talk about in a bit. Also, I have to take some time to talk about fast charging because it is really impressive, or as OnePlus calls it, warp charging. I have never reviewed a phone that charges this fast. And just to show you how fast it is, let's go ahead and do a test. As you can see right here, my phone was at 7%. In just 15 minutes, my phone was almost dead. Now it's halfway charged. So pretty much in 30 minutes, your phone can be fully charged. That's great if you're someone that waits to the last minute to charge your phone before you leave. This is great. Just plug it in, leave it for like 30 minutes, and boom, your phone is fully charged and you're ready to go. Number three is the camera, which I am using right now. I'm using the front-facing camera and I'm using the built-in microphone. Normally, I record my videos with this USB microphone, the Elgato Wave 3, but I realized when I was doing some Instagram reels that the microphone on this camera is pretty good. Now let's take a closer look at the four cameras on the back. The main camera is 48 megapixels, the ultra-wide camera is 50 megapixels, the telephoto camera is 8 megapixels, and the monochrome lens is 2 megapixels. I've been using this phone for about a month and I moved to a new city, so I've been using the camera quite a bit. I've been taking some photos around and sending it to family. One day I was just walking around and then I decided to test out the video stabilization, and I was really impressed by it. Look how smooth that looks. As you can see right here, I could spend a lot of time talking about all the advanced features of the cameras, but I want to move on to the OnePlus Buds Pro. These earbuds are sold separately, but it is a must-have if you are getting a OnePlus phone. As soon as you take the earbuds out of the case, it will automatically try to pair with the OnePlus phone. And just like with the OnePlus 9 Pro, these earbuds are packed with features like smart adaptive noise cancelling, warp charging. When you charge it for 10 minutes, the battery will last for up to 10 hours. Now, I haven't kept track of how long the battery lasts on these earbuds, but they last for a pretty long time without putting it back in the case. I pretty much use these earbuds every day, and I think I'm charging it like twice a week. So that should give you an idea of how the battery life is, and it's really good. As soon as you put it on, you can hear like the outside world just turning down. The noise cancelling will adjust based on how much noise is around me. So let's say like a motorcycle is passing by me and it's really loud. The earbuds will try its best to block out that sound. And the really cool thing is that you can hear that change automatically. So yeah, these earbuds are awesome. I can't compare it to anything else from Apple or Samsung, but these are a game changer. I love them and I highly recommend it. Okay, so that about does it for my video on the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus Buds Pro. So I'm looking forward to my holiday break, so I wanted to put this video out quickly. I will definitely talk more about the OnePlus 9 Pro and the earbuds in a future video. But for now, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below, or you can reach out to me on Twitter or Instagram. I'll have those links in the video description below. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I got plenty more tech videos coming soon, and a lot of them are going to be focusing on mobile tech. So it's going to be awesome. Be sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching.